Good morning, everybody. Quick update here, tracking this area of low pressure. We were looking at infrared satellite imagery, and you can see the counterclockwise rotation around low pressure here. And the area of low pressure, pretty much right where the model said it would be a couple of days ago. So you got to love when a forecast kind of works out here. You can see that spin again. And it's always in the center of the area of low pressure where you have the coldest air, at least with these types of systems coming down from the North Pacific. And that is the case this morning. Upper 40s, low 50s out there this morning. Some spots in the valleys probably just a tad bit cooler. And in the house, for me, 64 degrees this morning. So that's the coolest start inside the house that we've had. We did not turn the heat on. Was going to maybe kick up a little fire, but the sun will be out on and off today. So I'm not too worried about it. We will warm up mostly upper 50s hills today, low to mid 60s valleys and coast. So that's not too bad. And again, you can see this front has extended all the way down into Santa Barbara and Los Angeles, where it is raining this morning. It's just fantastic. And you'll also notice the bulk of this, at least the moderate to heavier rain, is down in Southern California where we thought it would be. There's Fresno. I'm going to show you some pictures of China Peak, which is about right here at about 7,000 up to 8,700 feet there. The Sierra kind of climbs real quick there. And for us, you notice there's a dry slot. Yes, there are a couple of showers around the peninsula just off the coast and a couple down around Big Sur, and we'll probably see a few more today. But again, the bulk of the rain, Santa Barbara down to Los Angeles. I mean, after what we had earlier this year down there, which was a few tropical showers, and now this, considering what we've had the last few years, which was almost no rain through a good part of the winter down there. So fire season just getting squashed. Absolutely love that, especially for our friends and neighbors down in Southern California, where, fire season can go all the way through February, basically, before they get some significant rain. So this is a significant system for all of California. Taking a look at rain totals from, the last 24 hours or so, anywhere from about 1.9 to 2 inches of rain here up through the Santa Cruz Mountains. That's Ben Lomond up on the peak there. And you notice all these areas through the Santa Cruz Mountains looking really good. So liking that, certainly. And you can see, if I zoom out, you'll see all of California, again, getting some rain here. We are right here. And just great. I mean, with 2 inches of rain, fire season is really, really just about over for us. Yes, a fire could start, but it would not propagate very quickly at this point. And Big Sur getting, a couple of inches, looks like I see 2.2, 2 inches, an inch. Let's see, the peninsula, Monterey, about 0.62, Salinas, Watsonville. Everybody got right in that zone, a half an inch to an inch along the coast and about 2 inches up in the hills. So absolutely fantastic. Where are we going from here? Well, we're not going to probably see a whole lot today. You'll notice the area of low pressure will kind of continue to spin on us and then start to move away. Yes, there are some shower chances, and then you'll notice towards Thursday, those are all completely gone. So we'll keep them in the mix maybe later this afternoon, and then by Wednesday morning, we're pretty much said and done. So we'll just take a look at one more shot here at the shower potential as we go through, let's say, the afternoon hours. You can see it's what we call convective showers. It's not a front. It's just unstable air that can produce some showers, especially in the afternoon. You kind of need some rising motion, and the heating of the surface of the earth does that. So AKA when the sun comes out and heats the ground, the air starts to rise. And when you have an unstable atmosphere, which is the reverse of what we normally have, right, with the marine layer, and when you have an unstable atmosphere like we do today, that rising motion with the air coming up, the warmer air from the surface will cool quickly as it rises. It can get to the dew point, it can form some clouds, and then if there's enough instability in the atmosphere, you can form a few showers, and that's kind of what it's showing here. So where they pop up, the best chances are in the hills, because that's where you're going to get the geographical push in terms of pushing the air up and rising motion. But you'll notice maybe some showers along Big Sur, Santa Lucia's, and Gablin Range, Diablo Range, that sort of thing. But they could pop up anywhere this afternoon. Santa Cruz Mountains might see a couple. So as we go through the afternoon, keep an eye to the sky. We'll see. Definitely the kind of situation where we could see passing shower or thunderstorm, but again, very more isolated than anything else. So it is not a rainy day. Pretty nice day, but again, the afternoon hours, clouds will probably start to get dark, and you may see a couple of rainbows out there. Thanks for tuning in this morning. Don't forget, please subscribe and also hit the like button. That helps me to keep doing this. And we have talked a little bit about occasionally about the 831, which I am also a part of, which is not only weather, but it's news, breaking news, along with current events, arts, culture, all of that, and eventually some sports. So check into the 831. It's on Facebook. It is on YouTube. It is on Substack, basically. So you do want to go to Substack to catch that. I will eventually put a link up to that. So if you can't find it, we will have that for you in the probably in the next video. And have a wonderful day. Enjoy it. Just loving to see all the rain and the snow.